friends, welcome to day 5 of Doggy Disguises. Today we are going to draw the quintessential dog in a ghost sheet. This little cutie is way too much fun and I cannot wait to show you how to draw him. So grab your favorite supplies and let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do is we're going to start with a curve line for the top. And then we are gonna do a few curves there because we want it to look like our dog's ears are hanging out. Even though it's a ghost and she would be all the way under a sheet, I just think to make it look like a dog, we should just let it look like the ears are popping out. So I'm just gonna do a few little zigzags. We're doing some fuzzy ears there, why not? And then right at the bottom of the ears, let's go down or make it look like our doggy is facing us. A little simple curve line at the bottom. All right, now we're gonna draw two big like cutouts for where the eyes would be. But because it's a dog, we're just gonna make the two little eyes there. And I think we're gonna do a little curve because the nose would be kind of tucked underneath the sheet. Okay, underneath to make it look like a dog, right in one of the areas of the sheet that goes up, just go ahead and follow that curve and make two rainbows. Connect them with a curve at the bottom, two lines. And then let's also add some back legs kind of sticking out here. And what should we do? Let's go ahead and add just a tail kind of tucked out of the back there. Now, we could also do something funny if you wanted to. I'm just thinking, you know what? I think I do want the nose sticking out because it's just so cute. So actually, you know what? Let's just straight up cut this whole hole out here. And I'm going to add my little signature nose here. Color the top, leave a little gap in the middle, and then there. Oh, yeah. So cute. Okay, so there's our doggy dressed as a ghost. Let's cover this up. Now let's make it look like it is a sheet on top. So if you're looking at your sheets here to make it look like it really is a sheet, in the areas where it kind of comes down, we're going to make just a simple curve line that goes up. Okay, so, and we can just do it in a couple spots. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to just do a line here and a line here, maybe also kind of curving up right there. It's just making it look like there's some movement on the sheets just to make it look a little bit more realistic. I'm gonna add a little extra texture on the ears, and there we go. I'm gonna go ahead, why not, and just put, boo, cute little doggy. Oh, you know what? I just got an idea. Let's do this. We're gonna make it look like our dog is holding a candy bucket. Because why not? And just do a few little lines. Oh yeah, that is perfect. All right, so that is our ghost doggy today. Join me tomorrow for another tutorial on how to make a super cute doggo ready for Halloween. See you then. Thank you.